welcome back to my channel. I know you guys see different, but I feel like I am super dark out in my van. But I went to Walmart. We did get a weekend warrior. Now when I was at the store, it was not there, and then after I left the store, they usually kind of pop up around 10 a.m. my time, and I'm Central Time. So that's what was awesome, because that just made it even better. So I had a weekend warrior where I needed 12 rebates, and then I had this thing called a text alert where I needed 8 rebates. They sent me a text, and then I kind of said what I could get in so many days, and I think it ends like today. So I ended up getting $3 for that, because I said I could get 8 rebates. And then yeah, so I'm just gonna share with you guys what I got. Let's just do some random grabbing. So the 5-star deal reset again. Now there's 2 different scenarios that you guys can do. You can get the notebooks. Sorry, it's like something just shining in my face. You can get the notebooks, or you can get the folders. I wanted to get the notebooks. I like the notebooks a little bit better. So I did the notebooks. Now I got the smaller ones because I kind of wanted smaller ones. So these were $1.87. They do have the bigger ones for $1.84, I think, or something like that. I did that deal last week. And then they also have the folders. So I got these for $1.97 a piece. You would pay $3.94 for this. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate off of 2 with Ibotta and the Checkout 51 reset. So that's $1.25 off of 2 rebate. So it comes out to be $1.94 or just 97 cents each for these, which I really like these. So I got that. And if you guys don't want to get the notebooks, you could get the folders. These are 97 cents. You would pay $1.97 for this, or $1.94. But then you guys can submit a $1.25 rebate with Checkout 51, where it comes out to be just 69 cents. Otherwise, if you choose to do the add the Ibotta rebate, it'll just become a 6-cent moneymaker. So can't go wrong with that. I've been just getting as much school supplies as I can as I coupon. Now, this would have been free if you guys have the coupon for it. I don't have a coupon for it, but this was $1.67. You would pay $1.67 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 67 cents. Now there is a coupon that you guys could use, and you guys could get this for free, but my area, I don't get those coupons. So yeah. I ended up doing the degree and the women's degree deodorant deal. Now I'm gonna try to share with you guys Shopkick deals as much as I can. Funny thing is, I barely remember to scan the items while I'm in the store, but since I'm still in the parking lot, I was able to scan the items to get extra points. So just giving you guys a heads up. But these are $4.97. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon that we got from this past weekend. You would pay $5.94 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate and a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and you guys will get points. So you get 25 points for the item you scan with Shopkick. And then if you buy these together, you'll get a 850 point bonus, which comes out to be $3.40. Now thank you, I did not write your name down, but thank you for telling me how to figure out the points for that. So basically how you guys can figure out the money for it is you grab the points and then you times it by 0.004, and that's how you guys can figure out the money. So basically if you scan this for 25 points, you guys will get this for 10 cents. So just wanted to share with you guys with that. So the final price comes out to be just $1.46 moneymaker. So this comes out to be absolutely free after the Shopkick 850 points are factored in. So because you get points for buying this and then buying this, and then you get points if you buy them together. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. We haven't gotten much deodorant lately, so I was pretty excited. Now I'm an And you can blame me all you want, but I ended up doing the Axe deodorant. Now, I did not read that one coupon that you could have used this also with the 4 off of 2. I wasn't thinking straight, so I ended up using the 3 off of 2 any Axe product, which is fine, totally fine with me. It's just $1. So these were $4.97. I used the 3 off of 2 coupon, so I paid $6.94. If you use that off 4 off of 2, you would pay $5.94. But then you guys can get $2 back and $2 back when you buy these. So they come out to be just $2.97 or $1.47 a piece, or it'd be $1.94. Where am I writing? $2.94. Otherwise, it would be $1.94. So sorry, I made a mistake. But you guys can also submit your receipt to Shopkick. Now, this kind of counts as the men's degree, so you don't get extra points for this. But I also forgot to mention, scan your receipts to fetch rewards, and you guys will get points for that also. There is no bonus points. I had to fix my receipt on... they must know when I'm talking about them, because I had to fix my receipt for this, because it never caught the Axe, and it didn't catch a couple different items that I bought. So... okay, so I ended up getting 407 points with Fetch, which is totally fine. So, okay, I ended up getting the Tresemme Pro Pure. Now these were $5.98. I used a $5 off of 2 coupon that we got from this past Sunday from our inserts. You would pay $6.96, but then you guys will get $1 and $1 back with Ibotta, and you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys can submit your receipt to Shopkick. You'll get 900 points for buying both of these, and then you get 25 points for each item that you scan. But we're just doing the 900 points, so that's $3.60 you guys will get back with Shopkick. So it comes out to be just $1.36 or just 68 cents a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. I grabbed one that's all gross. Okay, the next deal we did was the Suave shampoo and conditioner. So this was $1.98. I used a $1 off coupon that we got in just this past Sunday's paper. You guys will get this for just 98 cents. But then you guys can actually submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you can submit your receipt to Checkout 51 for $2. It is only a limit of 1, so this becomes a $2 moneymaker. I did have problems at the register with this coupon scanning. I got the right thing because it said Suave Professionals, and so that's what I got. So just giving you guys a heads up in case your store has problems. I ended up getting the Nivea body wash. Now this was $4.97. I used a, where did I write this down? Seriously, I used a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You would pay $6.94 for this, but then you guys can submit your receipt times 2 for $2 with Ibotta, making it just $2.94 or $1.47. So I got 2 of those right there. Okay, I got the pot pies again. These were 82 cents. You need to buy 3 of them. You would pay, I never do this stuff in order, so I don't know where the heck I'm at. You guys would pay $2.46 for the 3 of these, but then you can submit a 50-cent off of 3 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.96 or just 65 cents. So if you guys need some frozen stuff, go for it. I ended up doing the Bella dog food. I think I have one more time to do this deal before it's over. but I ended up getting the big box. This was $7.14. I used a $4 off printable coupon that we got from coupons.com. You would pay $3.14 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.50 a rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.64 or just 14 cents a cup if you need to do that. And then I got the regular dog food. Now these were 60 cents. I used a $1.50 off printable coupon from coupons.com. You guys would pay 90 cents for 4 of these, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent off of 4 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 40 cents. So that's 10 cents a cup. Okay, and then I got one last bag for you guys. Yeah, I was in there trying to find Cheetos macaroni and cheese, you guys, but they didn't have any. My store said they had it, but they might have not brought it out, so I'm on a hunt for that. I got the Biotine. The Biotine was $3.84. I used a $1.50 off printable coupon from coupons.com. You would pay $2.34 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 34 cents. I swear, everybody's parking right next to me, and I parked like the furthest away of the parking lot, and still everybody's parking right next to me. I ended up getting this Maybelline Lifter Gloss. I haven't tried this yet, but this was $6.98. You guys would pay, or you guys want to use a $2 off printable coupon that we got from coupons.com. You would pay $4.98, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.98. So not the greatest deal. I'm kind of excited to see what it does, because I don't even know what it does, but pretty excited to try it. I haven't seen this at the stores yet, so I'm like, you know what, I'll try it. I ended up getting the Butterfinger candy bars. These were 88 cents. You would pay 88 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, just making it 63 cents. So I just got some candy bars. I got a couple more items for you guys. So you guys, there's guys like parked right next to my vehicle, and they're looking at me like, who the heck are you talking to? And I get distracted very easily. But I ended up getting the Skippy peanut butter. These were $2.17. I used a 75-cent off of 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. You would pay $3.59 for this, but then you guys can submit a 55-cent rebate and a 55-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.49 or just $1.24. I've never had this much peanut butter in my house ever. I usually only have like 1 jar at a time. I swear we have like 4 of them. But we've been going through peanut butter like crazy, so totally fine with that. And then as I was looking at the peanut butter, I looked behind me and I saw these sauces, these Hellmanns sauces. They had $2 coupons attached to it. Now the coupons did say a limited 2, so I ended up doing 2 separate transactions with these, just because I wanted to do this deal. So I ended up getting all 4 of them because there were coupons attached to all 4 of them. So these were $3.47. I used $2 off coupons that were attached to these. You would pay $1.47 for these, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta. Now these are 4 different rebates, you guys. 4 different rebates, so you guys will get $1 back with Ibotta. And then I don't know what it was, but I got a 50-cent bonus. I don't know if it was because I bought 2, 3, or 4. I have no idea, but I did get a 50-cent bonus. But these do come out to be just 47 cents without that bonus, so I thought that was cool. There's roasted garlic, roasted red pepper, cilantro lime, and creamy honey, or creamy chili honey. So pretty excited to try that. I hope to go back and have those coupons there next time I am there. But yeah, that is everything that I got, you guys. My total came to $59.48. I did get $27.60 back with Ibotta. I got $4.50 back with checkout 51. I got $7.60 just for the for the scans and the purchases of the items from Shopkick, so $7.60. I finished the text alert, which I needed 8 rebates for $3. I needed 12 rebates for the weekend warrior, so that was $5. And I'm like halfway done with level 1. So my grand total came to $11.78. That's 31 items at just 38 cents a piece. I think it is awesome. I'm pretty excited for $11.78 for all that stuff. I think it's a pretty good deal. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next week for another Walmart Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.